When should I use Excel and when should I use Access?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to discuss two of the most powerful tools in the Microsoft Office suite, Excel and Access. Understanding when to use Excel and when to use Access can save you time and make your data management tasks more efficient.
When should I use Excel?
Excel is a spreadsheet program that is excellent for calculations, statistical analysis, charting data, and managing lists. Data analysis and calculations. Excel's formulas and functions allow for complex calculations and statistical analysis. For example, you can use Excel to calculate averages, sums, or even perform regression analysis. Charting and visualizing data. Excel is also perfect for creating visual representations of your data, such as pie charts, bar graphs, or line charts. Managing lists. If you're dealing with small to medium-sized lists, like tracking personal expenses, managing a contact list, or recording a small inventory, Excel is a great tool. However, Excel has limitations, especially when it comes to handling large amounts of data or managing related data from multiple sources. This is where Access comes in.
When should I use Access?
Access is a relational database management system, which is ideal for managing large amounts of related data and for handling complex queries, forms, and reports. Managing large amounts of data. If you're dealing with large amounts of data, Access provides a more efficient structure for data storage and retrieval than Excel. Handling related data from multiple sources. Access is based on the concept of relational databases, where data is divided into multiple related tables. This makes it a powerful tool for managing data from multiple sources that are interconnected. Complex queries, forms, and reports. Access also allows you to create complex queries, forms, and reports. For instance, if you're running a business and want to generate a report on sales performance by region and by product, Access would be the right tool for the job. In conclusion, both Excel and Access are powerful tools with different strengths. Choose Excel for calculations, statistical analysis, data visualization, and managing small to medium-sized lists. Use Access for managing large amounts of data, handling related data from multiple sources, and creating complex queries, forms, and reports. Understanding when to use each tool will make your data management tasks more efficient. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.